Morning everyone. As we have left our part 2 determiner some portions there, today we are going to finish that. Okay, so let's start the class. So already we have discussed 5 points, and in 6 points a or an is used before a single countable noun, okay, when it represents a class. What it is saying, a or an is used before a single countable noun. You look here, single countable noun when it represents a class, means the whole family. If it is representing, then we will use a or an depending upon the sound coming. Okay, that is vowel or consonant. Okay, you see here w. Okay, that is consonant, so we have used a, and octopus, that the sound is coming, that is vowel, that is why we are using an. Okay, now next point, an and adjective and noun. Okay, if the combination of the sentences is like this, then we will use, if there is an adjective before a noun, if there is an adjective, a or an is placed before the adjective depending upon the sound with which the adjective begins. So let's take an example. An artist, a great artist, an experienced artist. Okay, this is a what? Adjective, experienced, and this is what? Noun. So noun के पहले if there is adjective, okay, then we will use a or an depending upon the sounds coming from it. Okay, now see definite article. So what is definite article? It is used before noun when we want to particularize that noun. कब इसको यूज करेंगे? When we will use it when we want to particularize the noun. Okay, for example, the book lying on the table. The book is lying on the table. Okay, second one is, if there is with phrases. Okay, if phrases is there, that immediately single ought or specify a person or an object. When we will use the first day, the next child, the same book. Okay, now next point is with adjective in the superlative degree. When we will use the with adjective, sorry, yes, और कहाँ यूज कर सकते हैं हम? विथ एन एडजेक्टिव इन द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री, लाइक एन एग्जाम्पल, द फास्टेस्ट एनिमल, ओके, द स्वीट चाइल्ड. Okay, or next point, we will use it with adjective in the comparative degree also, as in the sentence below. Okay, so he is the more experienced of the two candidates, where we will use it with adjectives in the comparative degree also. And see the sentences, he is the more experienced is what? Comparative sentence of the two candidates. Okay, next one, in before a noun considered to be unique or extraordinary. When we will use it? When that noun is be unique or extraordinary, then we will use it. Okay, so take an example, this is the book you need. Okay, so this is the book. Okay, so it is representing the unique or extraordinary. And next, when there is only one of something. Okay, when there is only one of something, means it is a single piece, like the sun, it is only one, the earth only one, the stars, etc. Okay, understood now? Next, We will use it before the name of a person or thing whose identity is known to everyone. Okay, when we will use it? When the identity of that person is known to everyone, like the principal, the prime minister, okay, the Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, now next, before common nouns, that's name musical instruments. Where we will use it? Before the name of musical instruments. She is playing the sitar. Okay, so the sitar. Sitar is what? The musical instruments. Okay. My sister accompanied me on the violin. Okay, so the violin. Why? Because it is an instrument, musical instrument. Now you have to solve exercises, dear child. Then you will be able to understand better. As you are looking here, the some sentences I have given you in solved, and you have to practice more. The teacher is talking about a 10-year-old boy. A 10, you are looking here. I saw a movie last night. Okay, a movie. I ate an apple pie today. It costs 100 rupees. 100 is here. I eat an orange. An orange. You see here an used. It is because of the sound coming from that orange word. Okay, and this sound is what? This is vowel. The President of India is going to visit the US soon. The US, the President. The President of India is a unique identity. Okay, and visit the US soon. The US, that is also a name, famous name. Okay, the apple pie I tasted yesterday was delicious. Okay, so the apple pie, it is a unique. So here we are going to finish this one in this class, in your class 7th. Only up to this syllabus, up to this level, you have to learn determiners. Okay, later the vast level we will understand in superior classes. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.